Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the product Repricer report found in the custom section of Communicate for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communicate for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communicate features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. In this presentation, we'll explore a solution we designed, developed, and implemented for one of our merchants. They sell their products online under their own brand, so they don't have any direct competitors. They do not use traditional marketplace repricers for their products since they are a private label and the only merchant associated with those products. However, there are other merchants selling similar products, so it is necessary for them to be price competitive or suffer lost sales. Their goal was to automate their repricing process by eliminating as much staff involvement as possible. They wanted a central hub for product repricing. Once a product had been repriced, they wanted to be automatically uploaded to Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault simultaneously in the required formats for each platform. This report and customization are not limited to the marketplaces mentioned. Though this project was designed to function with the Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault marketplaces, we could easily add BigCommerce, Meva, eBay, Walmart, and so on, or remove any of the three marketplaces already included. This project highlights solutions and technologies we've used for various merchants. Let's get started with the product Repricer report presentation found in Communicate for Marketplaces. Since this solution was a customization, go to the Custom Reports menu located in the ribbon bar. Select the product Repricer report. Right mouse click anywhere in the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the available filters for this report. The date range filter option located on the upper left of the data filters is set to 90 days. This date range will retrieve and display sales data for the last 90 days. You can select any range you like using the selectors or manually adjust the starting and ending dates to whatever range you require. In the lower left of the data filters are the date options, which determine which date type is used for selecting sales data. The order date is selected by default. The next set of filters we'll review are the filter options found in the upper right of the data filters. These options are factors used for calculating the markup, market fees, price, price floor, and price ceiling. Let's discuss each of the factors and explain how it's used in repricing a product. The markup percent is the percentage added to the cost of the product to cover overhead and profit. The amount value is the additional amount you want added to the calculated price to cover additional costs like shipping and packaging. The market fees percent is a percentage used to calculate the market fees value, which is added to the repriced amount. The ceiling percent is a percentage used to calculate the maximum selling price for the product. The floor percent is a percentage used to calculate the minimum selling price for the product. In summary, these factors calculate the new price using the current product cost multiplied by the market percent, resulting in a subprice. The amount and fees percent value is added to the subprice to calculate the new price for the product. The next set of filters we'll review are round price to the nearest found in the middle right of the data filters. By default, this filter does not round the final calculated price. You can choose to round the pennies to the nearest 5 or 9. The next set of filters we'll review are the order status options. The default status is shipped or pending orders, meaning all orders either shipped or pending will be used when calculating sales metrics for this report. The data filters for this report include additional filter tabs located at the bottom. You can filter by brands, categories, products, and suppliers. Click on the Products Filter tab. Click on the SKU Edit box found in the Filters Options section of the Products Filter tab. Type SK-TS, then type the percent sign. The percent sign character is a wildcard character, which in this case means we want to display all products that begin with SK-TS, but do not care what values come after that. Now that we've explained the filters and factors, let's apply the filters to display repriced product data for the report. Click on the Apply button located below to apply the filters to the product repricing report. There are 124 products listed. Let's look at key columns for this report so we can explain what it suggests and how it's used. This report features 6 groups, 2 of which are not visible by default. The first group is the product info. It contains vital product data. The second group are the sales metrics for the products calculated using the date range selected and filters applied. The third group are the current price metrics. The 2 key columns from this section are cost and average fees. The product cost is the basis for product repricing and where the report will start with its calculations. The average fees column values derived from the average fees charged for selling this item on the marketplace. It is an important value to consider. Even though your fees are calculated based on the fee percent value, the actual fees percent for an item can be higher. If your fees are significantly lower than your average fees, you may want to consider using the average fees instead. The fourth group is where all the magic occurs with product repricing. Let's discuss each column. The cost column is the current cost for the item being repriced. The markup column is the value after the markup percent and the additional amount values are applied. The fees column is the calculated fee using the fees percent times the markup. The price column is the sum of markup and fees values. The floor column is the minimum selling price for the product. The floor value is the price times the floor percent. The ceiling column is the maximum selling price for the product. The ceiling value is the price times the ceiling percent. The applied column indicates repricing has been applied to the products and the changes are pending upload to Amazon, Shopify, and SKU Vault. Let's review the repricing for the selected product. Look at the cost and fees columns. The cost value is the current cost for the product. The price value is the current price for the product. The current calculated market fees are $1.26. The average fees paid to sell this product is $3.65. Look at the calculated repricing values for this product. The cost value is the same as the cost value found in the price metrics group. The markup is $4.20, which is the cost of $2.10 times 100% markup. The fees are calculated at 30% of $4.20, resulting in a product of $1.26. The price of $5.46 is the sum of markup plus fees. The calculated price is $5.46. The calculated price of $5.46 is significantly less than the current price of $11.95 found in the price metrics group. The price floor and ceiling are calculated based on the formula we discussed earlier in this presentation. Let me show you a few more features you'll find useful. The price, floor, and ceiling are suggested values. You can edit the value and change it to whatever you deem appropriate. Let me show you how you can edit the price for the selected product. The selected product has market fees valued significantly lower than the calculated average fees. We've decided to use the average fees instead of the calculated market fees. Select the price cell and click it again to put it in edit mode. Once in edit mode, a button with a drop-down arrow will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow to reveal a calculator. We are going to subtract the calculated fee of $1.26 from the price of $5.46, resulting in a new price of $4.20. Now we're going to add the average fee of $3.65 to the $4.20, the sum of which yields a new price of $7.85. You can perform the same operation on the price floor and ceiling and adjust those values to use the average fees instead of the calculated fee. Now that you have edited the prices, it's time to apply those changes and send them to the marketplace. Right mouse click anywhere in the report. The pop-up menu has two commands you can select to apply your changes. The Update All command will update all 124 products listed on this report. The Update Selected command will update the changes for the selected product only. For this demonstration, we'll select the Update Selected command from the pop-up menu. Once the command is selected, a warning will pop up on screen asking you to continue with the selected repricing. Click Yes. The applied column is now checked for the selected item and will be uploaded to the marketplaces shortly. This concludes our presentation of the Product Repricer report found in the Custom section of Communicating for Marketplaces. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business.